Welcome to Garvit's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make daal, aka lentil soup. For this, you're gonna require masoor gota and toor daal. You can find these at any Indian grocery store. I chose these two because the combination of both of them make up my favorite daal. You can also make masoor gota only or toor daal only. Let's get started, shall we? For ingredients, we're gonna require an equal amount of masoor gota, toor daal, 1 teaspoon of table salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 bay leaves. Alright, so I'm using a pressure cooker to cook the dal. So I use 2 cups of dal and 6 cups of water as shown here. The next step is to add salt and your turmeric powder. So remember, half spoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 bay leaves. You have to set the stove up to high. Put the lid on your pressure cooker, and after 2 whistles, your dal should be done. After 2 whistles, our dal looks like this. Your dal should be around this consistency. If it's a bit thicker, then you should add a bit of water to make it more soupy-like. Now let's add our final ingredients for the dal. Here's a pan with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I'll add some cumin seeds. To add some more flavor, I'm adding some onions to this ghee mixture. Turn off the stove, and now we move this to the dal. Now our dal is ready to serve. You can serve like this. And finally, our dal is ready to be drunk. You can either drink it with, as a soup, as is, or you can drink it with rice or roti. Either way, it's very healthy.